Jiangsu Nanjiang Machinery Company Limited has actively contributed to the development of the paper converting machines, which is the leading and pioneer of paper bag making machines in China, and a specialist in manufacturing paper products making machines. We are one of the China's leading suppliers of equipment to printing and packaging manufacturers. We know clearly that quality is life of a company. Only high-quality products can win the widest market. Hence, we strictly focus on manufacturing every component with high standard quality of paper bag machines and paper bag auxiliary machine since the beginning. In the production process of paper bag machine, we pay attention to every detail and quality control of the production line. We also employed professional testing technicians to ensure the good quality of every link. In terms of materials, we choose international brand electronic parts and quality materials and build a long-term relationship with raw material supplier. Therefore, we can get high-quality materials with lower prices. We always focus on manufacturing paper bag machines and paper handle machines with lowest cost and good quality. Through the utilization of high-quality materials and stringent quality controls, our products are extremely reliable, easy to operate, and performs at high speed. We have already built business relationships with many countries and regions' global customers. The machine has proved by CE certifications with Quality Management System Standard ISO 9001:2015.
We never stop striving just for splashing our savers to move forward one step with all rhyming foundation. In the future, we will put together with our professional and the most stable technology to our users with the best service. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, believe our Nanjiang paper bag machinery factory. Thank you very much.